Mark Wahlberg enjoyed some family fun in the sun, as he splashed around with his kids in a sweet Instagram post. Cannonball. Mark Wahlberg, 50, posted a sweet family photo that showed him playing with 3 of his kids in the pool. It looked like the family was having some good, old-fashioned fun, with the 3 children trying to pile on their dad and pull him into the water. The departed actor boasted that, despite his kids' best efforts, they never got me under. It looked like the Wahlberg clan was making most of their summer, as they cooled off in the pool. In the photo, Mark's 2 sons, Michael, 15, and Brendan, 12, and younger daughter Grace, 11, had all hopped on their dad's back, as the family splashed around in the pool. His oldest daughter Ella, 17, looked like she wasn't in the photo and probably stayed on dry land. Even though Mark said that the family didn't pull him under, his hair is soaking wet in the photo, so maybe they were more successful than he let on. In the picture, Mark was wearing 2 rubber bracelets and what looks like a waterproof watch. Lately, it seems like Mark has been spending plenty of quality time with his kids. The actor was photographed on July 13, taking Michael out to dinner in New York. It's amazing how much Michael has grown up to look just like his old man. Mark posted on Instagram that the family had also taken a beach trip on July 9. He humorously filmed the empty beach where the only people there were his wife Rita, 43, Michael, Brendan, and Grace. Ria was taking a picture of the 3 youngsters. "Beach day and no one showed up?" he wrote in the caption. Related gallery. Mark Wahlberg shirtless, 14 hunky photos of the actor. Even though he's spent plenty of time with his kids, Mark has had quite a productive year. The actor reportedly put on 20 pounds in 6 weeks to take on a role in the new movie Father's Day. As soon as filming was done, the actor hit the gym and started to shed the weight. He posted on Instagram that he was working to lose the weight with performance-inspired nutrition.